Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 9006 HID kit is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for car enthusiasts, offering significantly brighter and whiter light than standard halogen bulbs, transforming your night drives and enhancing your vehicle's style with a cool 6000K glow. But with so many options available, choosing the right kit can be overwhelming, so I'm here to cut through the noise and help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. HID Warehouse 9006 Bulbs. Upgrade your headlights with ease. These bulbs are designed for a simple plug-and-play installation, ensuring a quick and seamless upgrade. Before purchasing, double-check the fitment guide to confirm it's the correct bulb size for your low beam, high beam, or fog lights. Contact us if you need help. They work with both 35W and 55W ballasts, making them compatible with most aftermarket HID lights. Just ensure your bulb connectors match. Remember, these bulbs need an HID ballast to function. They won't work without one, and are compatible with both DC and AC ballasts. Your purchase includes 2 HID Xenon replacement bulbs and 2 plug-and-play wiring harnesses, everything you need for a complete upgrade. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 2-year hassle-free warranty and access to live tech support via phone or email if you have any questions. What we like. It offers a hassle-free warranty and live technical support. The plug-and-play design makes installation easy. If you value peace of mind and excellent customer service, this is the kit for you. What people say. Solidly built, only been installed for around 3 months, but I've used them at night and had stunning results. They are bright, very useful and decently easy to install. Perfect fit, and in my opinion the 5K are brighter than the 6K. Solid replacements we'll be using in the future. Bulb was a perfect fit for my 09 Prius. The brightness is equal to the Napa replacement bulb that is in the other side. The color is just a slight bit more blue than the Napa bulb, but hardly noticeable. Number 4. XtremeVision 9006 HID. Introducing XtremeVision HID bulbs, designed to dramatically improve your night vision. These bulbs offer a significant upgrade to your vehicle's lighting. It's a simple plug-and-play installation. No need for complicated tools or modifications. Experience a clearer, brighter light output with these premium HID bulbs. They're perfect for enhancing visibility on the road. They work with most aftermarket HID lights and both 35W and 55W ballasts. Just double-check your bulb connectors for a perfect fit. Remember, these bulbs need an HID ballast to function. They won't work without one. Contact us if you have any questions. Your purchase includes 2 XtremeVision premium HID bulbs and 2 plug-and-play wiring harnesses. Everything you need for an easy upgrade. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year hassle-free warranty and access to live tech support via phone and email. We're here to help. What we like. These are premium bulbs, ensuring high-quality light output. Installation is simple thanks to the plug-and-play design. If you prioritize quality and ease of use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Paired with a Xenon ballast and work perfect. Nice and bright. Installation was a snap. Remember to disconnect the negative lead from the battery, safety first. Twist counterclockwise and pull to remove the old bulb, unhook the 2 wires, then do the reverse to install the new bulb. They fired up fine. No flicker, no dimming, just clean and bright performance. The bulbs arrived in a hard plastic protective case. They work flawlessly after installation and first startup. Number 3. Xentec 9006 HID bulbs. Experience the superior brightness of Xentec 9006 HID Xenon bulbs. These bulbs deliver up to 3000 lumens, 3 times brighter than standard halogen bulbs. They produce an ultra-white 6000K light, enhancing visibility and style. Enjoy a safer and more vibrant driving experience. Each bulb is precisely calibrated to ensure consistent and accurate color temperature. Experience a truly stunning light output. These are replacement bulbs only, you'll need a Xentec HID ballast for operation. They're designed for a perfect fit in 9006 sockets. Sold in pairs, please verify your vehicle uses 9006 sockets before purchasing. They are compatible with Xentec ballasts. Upgrade your headlights with Xentec 9006 HID bulbs and experience the difference. Drive safer and look great doing it. What we like. This boasts an impressive 3000 lumens output and precise color calibration. It's specifically designed for 9006 sockets. If you need superior brightness and accurate color, this is the option for you. What people say. Bright with no flickering on 55W ballast. Quick startup and both bulbs match in color and intensity. Connectors are of high quality and snap together snugly with no fear of water intrusion. 6K was the right amount of blue, they're definitely bright, was easy to install on my RHD Supra. Way better than that 90s yellow. These are very bright and have lasted a few months so far. Number 2. 9006 HID Xenon Kit. Let's take a look at what's included: 2 bright xenon bulbs, 2 55W ballasts, and all the necessary accessories for installation. Everything you need is right here. Installation is a breeze. It usually takes less than 20 minutes. Most vehicles are literally plug and play, but some pre-assembly might be needed. Professional installation is always recommended. These bulbs are waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. They're 3 times brighter than halogen bulbs, last 5 times longer, and use 35% less power. Enjoy a brilliant, long-lasting light output. They offer a service life of 5,500 hours, or about 229 days of continuous use, with a maximum brightness of 5,000 lumens. Your purchase comes with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. If you have any questions, please refer to the instructions. Before ordering, please check your existing bulbs to ensure compatibility. Our website has a helpful guide, but using online part finders isn't always accurate. Remember, these require a 12V input. What we like. This kit includes high-powered 55W ballasts for maximum brightness and comes with a simple plug-and-play installation. It offers an extended lifespan. If you want a bright, long-lasting, and easy-to-install kit, this is ideal. What people say. Easy and straightforward install. Mine came with double-sided foam tape to install, which I would rather do than drill into my sheet metal anyways. Color is as described, good brightness, and excellent beam pattern. Work great on my 2020 Tacoma with factory projector bulbs. I've had HID lights on my Honda for years, and needed to replace them. I took a chance and ordered these, and I'm glad I did. They installed fairly easily and the light output is great. Ballast was bigger than I expected, but they work good. Light is bright and no flickering. Number 1. Diamond White HID Kit. Upgrade your vehicle's lighting with this easy-to-install kit. It includes everything you need for a brighter, safer driving experience. Each kit contains 2 bulbs, 2 ballasts, and all the necessary accessories for a seamless installation. It's designed for a quick and simple setup. Installation is usually completed in under 20 minutes. It's a plug-and-play system, though some pre-assembly may be needed. Professional installation is recommended. It's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. Experience 3 times the brightness of halogen bulbs, lasting 5 times longer and using 35% less power. Enjoy a service life of 5,500 hours, or approximately 229 days of continuous use. It delivers a maximum brightness of 3,200 lumens. It comes with a 2-year warranty. Before ordering, please check your existing bulb type. Using online part finders is not guaranteed to ensure compatibility. A 12V input is required. What we like. It features a compact, slim 35W ballast design and easy plug-and-play installation. It's perfect for those who want a space-saving and user-friendly solution. If you need a smaller, more efficient kit, this is a great option. What people say. It took maybe 5 to 10 minutes to install, being I was replacing with the same brand but different colored white. Fits perfect and the visibility is amazing. Great quality, very sleek and can fit in almost any space of your choice. easy install which are much brighter than OEM. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.